If you've been looking for a quick guide on how to use Salesflare with Trello, you're in the right place. This integration can save you hours of time by helping you manage your sales pipeline right alongside your project management. And I'll walk you through how to set it up and why it's so valuable. First, let's break down what Salesflare and Trello are. Salesflare is a powerful CRM designed to automate much of the manual work in your sales process, while Trello is a visual project management tool that helps you organize tasks and workflows. By connecting these two, you can ensure that your sales processes are streamlined and that everything stays in sync between your CRM and project management boards. Now let's dive into how to use Salesflare with Trello. The first step is to integrate the two platforms. Fortunately, you don't need any technical experience to do this. Simply head over to Salesflare's integrations page and find Trello in the list. Click on it, follow the prompts to connect your Trello account to Salesflare, and you're good to go. Once they're connected, the magic happens. The integration allows you to automatically create Trello cards based on Salesflare's activities, so when something happens in your CRM, like a new deal or a change in deal stage, it can trigger the creation of a new Trello card in your project management workflow. This means your sales updates are instantly reflected in your Trello board, ensuring your team is always on the same page. For example, let's say you close a deal in Salesflare. Thanks to the integration, you can automatically create a Trello card to follow up with the client on next steps. You can add notes, assign team members, and track progress, all directly in Trello, while still keeping all the relevant information stored and updated in Salesflare. What makes this integration even better is the customization options. You can set it up to trigger Trello cards for different events in your sales process. Whether you want to track deals, follow-ups, or new leads, you can decide exactly when and how the information flows from Salesflare into Trello. This is particularly useful for teams that use Trello for their project management but rely on Salesflare for customer relationships. With this integration, you'll never have to manually update multiple platforms. Everything happens automatically in the background, so your team can focus on what they do best, selling and delivering results. If you're new to Salesflare and Trello, don't worry. The integration is intuitive, and both platforms are known for being user-friendly. In fact, once you set everything up, you'll likely forget it's even there, because it will be working seamlessly behind the scenes. It's an effortless way to boost your productivity and ensure that no task or detail falls through the cracks. As a quick tip, Salesflare's automation features work hand in hand with Trello's task management, making sure that every deal or project step is taken care of without additional manual input. You'll quickly see the efficiency this brings, especially as you scale. If you're excited about trying this out for yourself, make sure to check out the link in the description below. We've got an exclusive deal for you that allows you to try Salesflare for free, with added bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this chance to get a head start with this powerful tool. So, to wrap up, connecting Salesflare with Trello isn't just about linking two platforms. It's about automating your sales workflow while keeping your team organized and aligned. With this integration, you'll save time, reduce mistakes, and boost productivity. And remember, you can try it for free using the special link below with our extended trial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that link to get started with Salesflare today.